AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find these links. So you can check out these links. You can join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals now and then, and check out the brokers and prop firm. The link which I want to mention is this monthly membership. So if you want to get maximum benefits out of your Forex trading or gold trading, you can join this monthly membership. So go ahead, check out these links after watching this video. Subscribe and like. Coming back to AUDUSD, starting with the top-down approach with weekly chart. In weekly, we have crossed below the EMA last week. So most probably we're going to go down. This could be a medium trend reversal, okay? In Delhi, now we had back-to-back red candles. Previous three blue candles were eaten by the red candles recently, which means this is the start of a new downtrend. People will take ages to confirm if it's a reversal or what, okay? I'm telling you, this is the start of a new downtrend, okay? So this is a downtrend, then we are pulling back, and then we're gonna make a new low, okay? So when should we enter a trade, and should we go short or long? Well, right now, let's take a look into 4-hour. And when I'm recording the video, we are taking a pull back, okay? So we had been going down already. Now, chances are that it might be a trend reversal. Let me see, 63643, 636, hang on. 63643 and then 63646. Okay, so this is double bottom and that's why we bounce back. So this low and this low, so this small red candle did not break this low. That's why we are in a trend reversal. So anybody who got into the trade right now made some profit, okay? So coming back to Delhi, I think you have to keep an eye, because in Delhi, if this blue candle eats this red candle, then we will continue the uptrend, okay? So we had been going down. So either we will take a pullback until maybe 50% in Delhi. That could include eating this candle. But if you come back to 4-hour, when shall you enter? I mean, if you entered right here, then you made some profit. But if you're going to take a buy position, then you can take your profit right here, okay? So this is the beauty, right? I'm recording the video at a different time. You're watching the video at a different time, and live trades happens at a different time. So again, you missed the opportunity because you did not enter here. So I'm telling you right now that we made this double bottom here, and when you're watching the video, the trade is already gone, okay? So if you want some live action, then make sure you join the monthly membership, where you can get live signals and live updates. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thing and all that, and share the video with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then,